Hello everyone. In last video we have prepared the dataset, we have prepared the manifest files. In this video I'm going to show you how to extract the features, Filterbank features, and then how to use those in the training. So let's get started. Yeah, if you haven't seen the data preparation video, I recommend you watch that first and then come into this video. So here, as you can see, in last video we have prepared a script. This is the script to prepare the manifest files, and here are all the manifest files. We have created test and train manifest recordings and supervisions. These files, we need to zip all of that files in ZZ format. So for that, we in this terminal we need to go into that directory, data and manifest, and inside this we can use gzip and then star. So this will zip all the files. As you can see, all these are zipped. Now what we need to do is we need to go into the local folder. Inside the local folder you will find this compute fbank library speech. So you open the script and then scroll down. So here I have already made the changes. If you see, there are multiple sets. You just need to comment out all of those and then put whatever name you have given. In my case, I have given train and test, these two sets. The last part, if you see in the name, the last part you need to give here, and then prefix would be the prefix of the names. In this case it is en, English. Then this is it. And one more thing, you need to change this number of jobs. If you are using a very low resource system, then you can reduce this number. Ideally by default it is 15, so I have reduced it to 10. And you can this is pretty much it. You don't need to change anything else in the script. And then you can go outside this folder in the terminal, sorry, and you can run the script by using Python 3. Okay, sorry. So here you need to use the Icefall Docker image. The command is docker run and -it. It will be an interactive, and then use --rm, so that after completion of this process it will remove the container. And after that you need to mount the volume. I will mount the whole volume here, which is /media. And then you need to give GPU access, GPUs all, and you need to give shared memory, a little bit higher shared memory by giving SHM size. You can give 2 GB. 2 GB is enough. After that you need to write the Docker image name. So in this video I'm going to use the K2FSA. This is a pre-built Docker image by Icefall guys. This is K2FSA/Icefall, and then the tag, that is torch 1.13.0 CUDA 11.6, and then you put bash at the end. So this is it. You run the command. As you can see, I'm in a terminal of this container, whatever I have created now. Now you need to go into the same directory. You just copy this path and go into the directory. And after that you can start the script. So you can use Python 3, and the script is in local compute library speech. So you run the script, it will start the Filterbank feature extraction. As you can see, it will use speed perturbation. It will use two types of speed perturbation, 0.9 and 1.1. So basically what is in 0.9 it reduces the speed of the data to 0.9x, and in 1.1 it increases the speed of the audios to 1.1x. So it will triple your data if let's say if you have 100 hours of data, then after this speed perturbation you will get 300 hours of data set. The process is completed. All the features got extracted out. So here if you see in the data folder, one new fbank folder is there. If you go inside that folder, you will find two folders. One is train and other one is test. So if you open those folders, you will find these features. So these are the Filterbank features, and these are the basically path to all the features whatever are inside this folder. So these are the two main things which you need in the training. So this is the training data set preparation that is done. And one more thing you need is to download the Musan dataset. That's a noisy dataset that is needed for noise augmentation in the training process that happens on the fly. So for that you can use Lotse. If you go into the prepare.sh script, you can find the Musan part. So if you use this command, let's say download Musan. So if I use this command, you need to give the data directory, wherever the folder you want data, and then let me say raw. Okay, so if you do this, you will the data will get downloaded in the raw folder. I have already downloaded it in the raw folder. As you can see, this is the tar file that you will get, and then this same command will extract out the audios into this Musan folder. What you have to do after is that you need to extract out the features for this data set. As you have seen in the local folder, there is one more script, compute fbank Musan. Users need to open that script, and then you don't need to change anything here. All of this are for the Musan dataset only. If you want, you can change the number of jobs, but since this dataset is not very big, you can use this 15 number of jobs. Okay, so before starting that, you need to create the manifest. Let me show you how to create the manifest in the prepare.sh script itself. If you go scroll a little bit down, you will find this Lotse prepare Musan. What this will do is this will create the manifest files which we have done using our own script for the training dataset. So this Lotse will automatically create those manifest files for Musan. Users need to write this command. I'll show you the command Lotse prepare Musan, and then the download directory that is data/raw/Musan. Musan, sorry. And then after that the manifest file manifest folder, that is data/manifest. And then if you run the script, then this will create all the manifest. If you open manifest folder, you will find this music, noise and speech. This is pretty much it, and you can use the compute fbank script, this compute fbank Musan, and then if you run the same, you don't need to change anything. If you can run it directly, local/compute fbank Musan, and you just need to run the script. It will start extracting out the features for Musan. So after completion of the feature extraction of Musan dataset, if you go into the fbank folder, you'll find the similar folders like the train folder, Musan features, and then all these features are there. And then you can see the cuts also, Musan cuts. This is pretty much it. You don't need to do anything else to train the model. After that, you can start training of the model. Okay guys, this is it for this video. This video was about only for feature extraction. In the next video we will start the training process. Stay tuned. Bye.